Welcome everyone, I'm Dushan from Live Exceptional. In this video, I would like to introduce you to Mindfulness Meditation or Vipassana Meditation. In Sanskrit, it means to see things as they really are. This ancient technique comes from the original teachings of Buddha. It involves observing without judgment. The main goal during this meditation is not to stop thinking and feeling, but rather consciously observe our thoughts and sensations as they are. You might have heard the term monkey mind. This concept describes the common state when we are bombarded with a never ending flow of thoughts, and we are often unaware of it. Our inner conversation can be like this: what will I prepare for dinner? I better stop to buy some food. Did I bring my wallet? Oh, I need to stop at bank before. Is it still open? Why is the traffic so slow today? I already have a mild headache. I might be getting sick. But I need to finish that project. My boss is so annoying for reminding me constantly. Darn, I forgot my phone at work. During today's meditation, we will become more aware of what's happening around us and within us. We will intentionally put labels on our thoughts, sensations, and feelings. So let's sit comfortably, either cross-legged or in a chair. Keep your spine straight and place your hands on your legs. Once you find the right position, try to avoid any unnecessary movements. Close your eyes. Take a breath into your belly, and as it expands, label it as rising. Now exhale, and as your belly gets smaller, label it as falling. Continue with your breathing and labeling. If you hear a car passing or people talking, notice it and label it as hearing or listening. If you notice the smell of the ocean or food, notice it and label it as smelling. If you suddenly find yourself thinking of something, notice it and label it as thinking, or more specific like planning, walking, eating, or driving. If you feel an itch on your arm, don't scratch it immediately. Feel it first and name it as itching. It may go away by itself, but if it's still there after a few moments, make a decision to scratch it and label it as scratching. Move your fingers slowly and feel how your nails touch the skin and how the itchiness go away. You've got the message. Now, continue on your own. Come back to your breath. Inhale, exhale. I'll watch the time. You'll hear the gentle bell at the beginning and at the end of meditation. Keep your eyes closed and continue resting. The best thing about mindfulness meditation is its application outside of our practice. As you go through your day, you will become more aware of the subtle things like raindrops on your skin, birds singing, the smell of freshly cut grass, or a random song in the street. That, my dear friends, is the whole point of practicing mindfulness. Slowly start moving your fingers and toes. Move your head and roll your shoulders. Press your palms together in a praying gesture known as Anjali Mudra. Appreciate the time you spend today in silence. Thank you for joining me. Namaste. If you enjoy our meditation and would like to see more, please press that like button and leave me a nice comment.